In this video, we will show you how to transfer from Binance to Exness. If you guys want to get started with Binance, you can use the links down in the description. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to the wallet section. Now, select Fiat and Spot from the wallet menu. Then, convert your cryptocurrency to Fiat, e.g. USD or AUR by selecting Convert within your wallet. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to convert and the fiat currency you'd like it converted into. Initiate the withdrawal process by clicking on Withdraw and selecting Crypto.com as your withdrawal method. Here, enter your Crypto.com wallet address and double check it to ensure accuracy. Enter the withdrawal amount and review the transaction fees. Now, confirm the transaction and complete any required security steps such as two-factor authentication or 2FA. After that, wait for the transfer to be processed. The transfer time may vary depending on the network and the amount being transferred. So that's how to transfer from Binance to Exness. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Binance. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.